Hello viewers, welcome to online math learning program. I am Anul Haq. Today we will solve the question number 11 and 12 of the exercise of LCM. So let's start with the question number 11. It says in a marathon race, two people start drinking water after starting the race at regular intervals. The first person drinks water in every 9 minutes. 72 minutes after the start of the race, two men drank water at the same time. At what interval does the second person drink water? How many times does the second person drink water in 72 minutes? Okay, in according to question, the first person drinks water in every 9 minutes, and after 72 minutes for the first time, two men drank water at the same time. So the interval for the second person to drink water will be those factors of 72 with which the LCM of 9 will be 72. So at first we have to determine the factors of 72, and then we have to select those factors of 72 with which the LCM of 9 will be 72. So you can start like that. The first person drinks water in every 9 minutes, as two men drank water at the same time after 72 minutes. So the interval for the second person to drink water will be those factors of 72 with which the LCM of 9 will be 72. The factors of 72 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 9, 12, 18, 24, 36 and 72. Here 72 divided by 9 equal 8. That is, the LCM of 9 and 8 is 72. So no factors of 72 below 8 with which the LCM of 9 will be 72. So we should not determine the LCM of 9 and 1 or 2, 3, 4 or 6, because 9 of the multiple of 9 and 8 is 72. So we can start from 8. So the LCM of 9 and 9 is 9. The LCM of 9 and 12, and after 8 the digit is 9, and after 9 the digit is 12. So we have to determine the LCM of 9 and 12, and the result is 36. And by this the LCM of 9 and 18 is 18. The LCM of 9 and 24 is 72. So you have got two digits one is 8 and another is 24. Of those, the LCM of 8 and 24 by 9 is 72 individually. Now we see the LCM of 9 and 36 is 36. The LCM of 9 and 72 is 72. So we have found three digits: 8, 24 and 72. And these three digits form the LCM with 9 is 72. So these three digits 8, 24 and 72 will be the answer, or will be the interval for the second person to drink water. So as the LCM of 9 and 3 factors of 72, for example 8, 24 and 72, is 72 in separately. Hence, the second person drinks water in every 8 minutes or 24 minutes or 72 minutes, and that will be the answer. And now the second question of 11. Second part of the question of 11 is how many times does the second person drink water in 72 minutes? So we write like that. Number of times the second person drink water in 72 minutes. If the interval be 8, so 72 divided by 8 equal 9. So drinks water in 9 minutes. If the interval is 24, then drinks water in 3 times, because uh, 72 divided by 24 is 3. And finally, if the interval is 72, then 72 divided by 72 equal 1. So drinks water in 1 times. Now we can start the question number 12. The question number 12 says, Bus A and Bus B are two intercity service of Dhaka. Bus A service leaves the bus stand in every 60 minutes, and Bus B service leaves the same bus stand in every 80 minutes. Every day they start their journey at 6 a.m. Question is, how many times and at what times in a day they leave the bus stand together? So we have to pay attention to the question that how many times, but there is no ending time. There is only starting time, and it is 6 a.m. Every day, two types of bus start their journey at 6 a.m. but there is no ending time. But the question is how many times and at what times. So if we determine the how many times and at what times with this question and or with this value only starting time, so the answer will be infinite. So we need a ending times in which time the service will be stopped. Otherwise, the question would be at least at which time in a day they leave the bus stand together. But the question is how many times and at what time in a day they leave the bus stand together. So we definitely need a ending time for two types of buses. So we can suppose an ending time for two types of bus, and that is 10 p.m. So we can say every day they start their journey at 6 a.m. and every day they end their journey at 10 p.m. And by this we can start our problem to solve, as the result will be the at multiple times of LCM of 60 and 80. So we can start like that. Here bus A service leaves the bus stand in every 60 minutes and bus B service leaves the bus stand in every 80 minutes. So both the buses, bus A and bus B, will leave the bus stand at the same time or together at multiple times of the LCM of 60 and 80. So we have to determine the LCM of 60 and 80, and it is 240. As 240 is minutes value, so we have to interchange the minutes value into hours value, and by dividing 60, as 60 minutes equal 1 hour, so 24 minutes by dividing 60, then we will find the hours value is 4 hours. So the bus A and bus B leaves the bus stand together at each interval of 4 hours. So we can write every day they start their journey at 6 a.m. and they end their journey at 10 p.m. Not mentioned in the book, but it is needed. So we supposed that they end their journey at 10 p.m. I already mentioned it before. So the buses provide their services in a day for 22 minus 6 equal 16 hours, as 10 p.m. equal 22 in international time. Hence, the buses leave the bus stand together in a day at 16 divided by 4, and this 4 is that 4. 16 divided by 4 equal 4 times. Both the buses leave the bus stand together at 6 a.m. and after that 6 plus 4 equal 10 a.m. and after that 10 plus 4 equal 14. 14 is international time and local time is 14 minus 12 is 2 p.m. and after that 14 plus 4 equal 18, and 18, as 18 is international time and local time is 18 minus 12 equal 6 p.m. So the result is 4 times, and the times are 6 a.m., 10 a.m., 2 p.m., and 6 p.m. And we can find, or we can determine another value by adding 18, by adding 4 with 18, and that will be 22, which equal 10 p.m. But the services are ended in 10 p.m. so buses will not leave. So the result will be 4 times, and the times are 6 a.m., 10 a.m., 2 p.m., and 6 p.m. You can look the whole math again. So thank you everybody for watching this.